Now, more details of the landslide is coming to the fore, and the landslide occurred at Ghoshia Chaul, Chirag Nagar near Rathor Medical in Kurla at around 3:48 a.m. Two bodies have been recovered, and 6 to 8 persons are likely to be trapped. Rescue operation is still underway. So, Shweta, what we are getting to know, at least 6 to 8 people are feared to be trapped. As you were talking about, that this is something that's not new to Mumbai. This takes place every year, and even if you remember, in July 6th, we saw a major landslide that occurred on the missing link of on the certain section of the Mumbai-Pune expressway as well. So, in terms of this, when will the authorities be prepared for all of these landslides? Because Mumbai, monsoon takes place, a lot of these things reoccur time and again. So, in terms of this, what exactly you're getting to know?
Right. In fact, Ria, these both are different situations. However, they were a landslide, but this landslide in Mumbai is to do with the residential area. The missing link was, of course, something inevitable. To be very honest, it was heavy downpour for more than 72 hours, which July had witnessed, and within 4 days of heavy downpour, the entire state of Maharashtra received more than 80% of an average rainfall what we usually get in the whole month. So that was something that came as a natural calamity, I would say. But here we understand that this particular situation, where in residential pockets of Mumbai, particularly in this belt of Mansur to Kurla, this keeps happening, and it's two ways, Ria, honestly, that people are not ready to leave from that place, and even officials, how do they serve notice and when do they serve notice is a very big question, because we have been also reporting that how there are certain buildings and pockets of residential area which comes under very dangerous and risky spots. These are red spots where all buildings are in dilapidated condition, and people should actually be removed 1 month prior to monsoon. But again, this is something very unfortunate that people still they live there, and when landslide occur, people lose their life, and it also becomes very challenging. As we were asking, what were the challenges while the rescue operation are underway? Firstly, these are very narrow lanes, very narrow lanes, and it becomes very challenging for the officials to conduct their rescue, and because narrow lanes plus these shanties and these places are heavily crowded. Now we also see that as two people, they have lost their life, and more than 6 to 7 people are feared to be trapped under the debris. Now, the officials who are presently at the spot also say that the number would increase, because as of now, the operation that they have been carrying out, the rescue operation since morning, they are stating that this will go till the afternoon, and people are still feared to be trapped under the debris.
All right, Shweta, stay on with me. Now, joining me on the telecast is my colleague Rumi Mishra with the exact map coordinates. Rumi, take us through the details that are coming in.
Yes, Ria, well, I have on my screen right in front of me the exact location where this landslide actually occurred. Let's take a look at this. This is basically an urban jungle. As you can see, this is around Rathor Medical Center in Kurla, and all you can see here is a row of shanties and houses. Like Shweta already pointed out, this is a place where a lot of crowded small houses are already present. This is a chawl, in fact, primarily this Chirag Nagar area in Mumbai's Kurla. Remember, Ria, this landslide happened in the early hours of today at around 3:48 a.m. Following which, of course, we looked at rescue operations that are still underway. But if you look at the contrast from this left part of the map to the right, and you see what two different parts of the city looks like, this is exactly where the landslide happened. We do know that a part of a hillock, in fact, collapsed onto a bunch of houses right here. This is where the landslide actually occurred, and that's also the reason why around 5 to 6 people are now confirmed trapped under the debris. They feared trapped with 2 people have been confirmed dead. This is a dense urban settlement with very limited open space, as you can see right there. This is of course a part of Mumbai's known landslide prone hillside zones in the eastern suburbs. Which is why these people already had an idea. In fact, on the left side of your screens, you can look at how densely packed these areas are, how close these homes are, and you can see the kind of destruction this landslide has brought about. You know, Ria, the construction and alteration of natural drainage and removal of vegetation and, you know, construction of so many houses in the same area, of course, make this a more sensitive region, and especially in the monsoon time. This, of course, is why a portion of the hillock or slope collapsed onto the chawl, which is, of course, a row of tenements or houses. You can see right there on the right side of your screen. This is Rathore Medical Center, next to which the landslide happened. Debris buried parts of the structures and has trapped residents who were likely asleep early morning when this incident actually occurred. Officials are trying to find out exactly, how many people are still trapped and whether they're alive or if, they have died in the incident. But you can see just the kind of construction that was made there, and you would totally understand how not just rescue is tough, but also why even a small incident can affect a large chunk of the population there.
All right, Rumi, thank you so much for